Happy Diwali, my friends.
Happy Diwali to all my dear friends. How beautiful the evening is today. The streets, roads, and houses are decorated wonderfully with light.
Yes, my friends, it is the festival of lights. People light up theirs in the house.
I feel excited to see the pandals and idols of Makali.
Let us go for pandal hopping.
Yes, go.
Actually, Barshat is famous for Kali Puja. Many beautiful pandals are are here made here attract to the visitors.
Absolutely right. We will have a good time together. We will eat a fuchka, egg roll, chow mein, and many other things.
Okay, don't waste time, dear. Let's go first and enjoy the Diwali festival.